Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we solved the problems on addition in matrices. Now, let us solve the same problems on matrices, but the question has given compute the following. Compute the following. The first question is a square plus b square. In the first row, b square plus c square, a square plus c square, then a square plus b square, plus 2ab, 2bc minus 2ac, then 2ab. So this is the question. He has not defined a and b, but he has given directly in between the two matrices plus. By seeing this, we have to add the two matrices. So let us solve this question. A square plus b square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus b square, plus 2ab, 2bc minus 2ac minus 2ab. So you know the method of solving the addition of two matrices. First corresponding element is added to the first corresponding element of other matrix. So the first element is a square plus b square. Then if you add this one plus 2ab, then b square plus c square plus 2bc, then a square plus c square minus 2ac plus into minus minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we added the two matrices. So it is in the form of a plus b. You know the formula a plus b whole square, because a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula. You know the a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square. And then it is in the form of a plus b whole square. This can be written as b plus c whole square. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Let us write this is an a minus c whole square. Then a minus b whole square. This is the answer for the first one. Let us take the second one. What is the second question? Second one is first matrix is he has given cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x, plus sin square x, cos square x, then cos square x, then sin square. He has given the two matrices. In between the two matrices he has given the plus. Plus means you have to add the two matrices. You know the addition of the matrices, you have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. So if you add cos square x plus sin square x, then sin square x plus cos square x, then sin square x plus cos square x, cos square x plus sin square x. You know the formula in the trigonometry, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You know the formula in the trigonometry. So here in the place of theta, here x is the. So let us write cos square x sin square x, or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we can write sin cos square x plus sin square x as in 1, sin square x plus cos square x as in 1, sin square x plus cos square x as in 1, and cos square x plus sin square x as in 1. This is the answer for this. Let us go further. Next type of problems, multiplication of matrices. In the multiplication of matrices, let us take the first problem. If A is equal to 6923 and B is equal to 260798, find AB. How to find AB? So let us write the matrix A 6923, then B matrix is 260798. These are the two matrices he has given. How to find AB? AB means you have to multiply A into B. So let us take A 6923, then 260798. So multiplication is different from the addition. So in this multiplication, we have to multiply first row with first column. First row, first column. So first row element is 6. 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. Then first row, second column. 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. Next, first row, third column. 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. So let us go for the next row. Second row, first column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. So this is the method of multiplication of matrices. So let us multiply. 6 2s are 12 plus 9 7s are 63. Then 4 plus 21. Then 36 plus 81. Then 0 plus 72. Then 12 plus 27. 0, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 24. 8 3s are 24. If you add, what will you get? 63 plus 12, 75. 36 plus 81. So 7, then 117. 0 plus 72 is 72. 4 plus 21 is 25. 12 plus 27 is 39. 0 plus 24 is 24. This is the multiplication of the two matrices. Okay, let us go for the next problem, second problem. If A is equal to of order 2 cross 3, 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5, and B is equal to of order 3 cross 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, then find AB, comma BA, show that AB is not equal to BA. Let us solve this question. What is A? He has given E. Let us write the given 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. Then B is of order 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. He has given the two matrices A and B. Let us multiply AB. So A is 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. Then B is 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1. Let us multiply. First row, first column. 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Then 1 into first row, second column. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. We have to multiply carefully. So 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. First row, second column, 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Let us go for the second row. First column, minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Then second row for second column, minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Second row, second column, minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Then plus into minus minus, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 plus 6. Then 1 into 3 is 3, plus into minus minus 2 into 5 is 10. Then 3 into 1 is 3. Then minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 plus 8 plus 5 2 is 10. Minus 4 into 3 is 12, minus 12. Then 2 into 5 is 10. Then 5 into 1 is 5. If you add or subtract, what will you get? So here 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Positive 8 and negative 8 can cancel. We are getting 0. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. You can write directly 6 minus 10, or you can write another one step. So plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. This is you got 10. So minus 12. Then 10 plus 5 is 15. So in the next step, 0 minus 4, then 10. Then if you subtract, you are getting 3. So this is the AB. Let us consider AB as an 1. So let us go for the BA. What is BA? Let us find BA. Let us write the first matrix as in B. What is B? 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. This is B. Let us take the A. A, what is an A? 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. If you multiply, so you know the procedure how to multiply. So let us take the first row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. This is the first row, first column. Then first row, second column. 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Then first row, third column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. So let us verify. 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Then 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. So I have completed the first row with the 3 columns. Now let us go for the second row and the first column. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Then second row, second column. 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Then second row, third column. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. So let us see 4 into 1, 5 into minus 4, 4 into minus 2, 5 into 2, then 4 into 3, then 5 into 5. So now third row and first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4, then 2 into minus 2, third row, second column. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Then 2 into 3. So third row, third column. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. So let us simplify this one. 2 into 1 is 2 plus here plus into minus minus 3 4 the 12. Then minus plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 15. Then 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Then plus into minus minus 5 4s are 20. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 10. 4 3s are 12 plus 25. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus into minus minus 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 1 into 5 is 5. So if you add or subtract, 12 minus 2 is minus 10. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 6 plus 15 is 21. 20 minus 4 minus 20 is minus 16. Then minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Then 20. 12 plus 25 is 37. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. This is BA. So let us take the 2. From, if you observe 192, if you observe, both are not equal. From 192, AB is not equal to BA. Let us go for the next problem, third problem. If A is equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 and B is equal to 0 1 1 0, find AB comma BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. Solution. Let us take the given matrices A 1 0 0 minus 1, then B 0 1 1 0. These are the two matrices. Let us find first AB. AB is equal to A is 1 0 0 minus 1, then B is 0 1 1 0. So if you multiply, first row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 1. Then first row should be multiplied with second column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 0. Next, second row, first column, 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. Then second row, second column, 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0. So if you multiply, what you are getting? 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Then 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Then plus into minus is minus 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is AB. This is the equation. Let us find, this is take as an 1. Name it as an 1. Let us find the BA. BA. What is B? 0 1 1 0. Then what is A? 1 0 0 minus 1. So if you multiply BA, first row should be multiplied with first column. First row should be multiplied with first column. 0 into 1. 0 into 1. plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0. Then first row, second column, 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. Then second row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Then second row, second column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. So BA is equal to 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0, then 0, then plus into minus minus, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0 plus into minus minus, that is 0 into 1 is 0. So if you add, what you'll get 0 minus 1 1 then 0. So BA, this is an BA, let us consider as an 2. By seeing the AB and BA, so we can say that they are not equal from 1 and 2. AB is not equal to BA. Now let us go for the fourth problem. Compute the indicated product. So it has given the two matrices. In the two matrices, in between the two matrices nothing is there, means we have to multiply the given two matrices. So let us take the given, so 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. By seeing these two matrices, so this is the column matrix and this is the row matrix. In the column matrix, how many rows are there? 3 rows are there, 1 column is there. Then in the row matrix, 1 row and 3 columns are there. So we have to multiply, you know the method of multiplication of the two matrices. First row should be multiplied with first column. So let us multiply 1 into 2, 1 into 2. First row is multiplied with first column. Then first row is multiplied with second column, 1 into 3. Then first row is multiplied with third column, 1 into 4. Then second row is multiplied with first column. Second row is multiplied with second column. Second row is multiplied with third column. The next third row is multiplied with first column. Third row is multiplied with second column. Third row is multiplied with third column. One into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we got the matrix of order 3 cross 3 by multiplying the two matrices. Let's go for the next fifth problem. Compute the indicated products. He has given the two matrices of order 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3. Let us solve this problem. Let us take the given matrices 2 3 4, 3 4 5, 4 5 6 into 1 minus 3 5, 0 2 4, 3 0 5. These are the two given matrices of order 3 cross 3. So let us multiply first row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0. Then 4 into 3 plus 4 into 3. So this is the first row and the first column. Now let us go for the first row and second column. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2. then 4 into 0, 4 into 0. The next first row, third column, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4, then 4 into 5, 4 into 5. Now second row should be multiplied with first column, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. Next second row, second column, 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0. Then second row, third column, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Next third row, first column, 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3. Next third row, second column, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 5. Sorry. So let us go for the third row, then second column, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. The next third row, third column, 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 5 into 5. 6 into 5. Two into 1 is 2 plus 0 plus 12. Then 3 into 1 is 3 plus 0 plus 15. 4 plus 0 plus 18. Minus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 6 plus 0. 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 9 plus 8 plus 0. Minus 12 plus 10 plus 0. 10 plus 12 plus 20. 15 plus 16 plus 25. Then 20 plus 9, 20 plus 20 plus 30. 2 plus 0 plus 12 is 14. 3 plus 0 plus 15 is 18. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 18 is 22. Minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. The remaining is 0. So minus 9 plus 8. Minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1 only. Minus 12 plus 10 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 only. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 25 is 56. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 30 is 70. So this is the multiplication of two matrices. Now let us go for the assignment problems. Take down the first one. Compute the following. So compute the following. In these two matrices, between the two matrices, he has given the plus symbol, means you have to add the two matrices. This is the addition of two matrices. In this second question, he has given the two matrices of 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3. I have to add the two matrices. So second problem, if A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2 and B is equal to 1, 3 minus 2, 5, find AB and BA. Then third problem, find AB if A is equal to 0, minus 1, 0, 2 and B is equal to 3500. Then next fourth problem. In the fourth problem, I have given the 4 sub questions. Compute the indicated products. In the first one is AB minus BA, A minus B, BA. So you have to multiply the both matrices. In the second question, I have given the 2 matrices. You have to multiply. In the third question, I have given the 2 matrices of order 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3. You have to multiply this. Then the fourth one is also multiplication of the 2 matrices. These are the 4 questions you have to solve as an assignment questions.